YouTube. Another day, another vlog. Know what I'm saying? Niggas really starting a clothing brand, bruh. I'ma take y'all boys with me. Let go. Y'all niggas shooting a little photo shoot, man. Nah, we out there. It's on the back of that bitch. Y'all niggas got that shit on, bro.
We doing this, man. One of the risk game, you know. We going big soon, you feel me? Young nigga shit, about to take over.
This other color.
Back at it again with another video, bro.
They be like,
Why?
rolling, rolling.
This shit clear as hell, bitch.
Rolling. Cut.
Ready?
Oh, we taking videos or pictures?
Are we doing a video? Yeah. Is the video on video mode?
Hold on. Recording this shit. The red. Why you put
Why you never want to
Blue go crazy.
Yeah, but
Blue go crazy.
Go home for one.
More designs, more pieces on the way. Saying Shop BTBR coming soon.
I don't know, bro.
I'm saying.
Really working coming soon, man. One of the rich BTBR, man. We dropping first week of September.
These are just samples too.
We just got 4 shirts and shit. Shut up, bro. That's crazy. Nigga, come down here and get the BTBR, nigga. If you don't, your mama a bitch, nigga.
Let me pretty got stuff for girls too. Pretty girls, pretty girls. Know what I'm saying? The back.
Come get that BTBR, man.
Even your mom and your granny can wait. Your grandma,
if you don't, your mama a bitch.
Anybody
nigga.
can wait. Your auntie, your nanny, know what I'm saying? Get right, the BTBR, know what I'm saying? Go shop.
It's that cleaning. Man, we back at it with another vlog, man. Guys here, man.
There, man.
My dog, Marv, man.
We live, man.
Fellas here, man.
2 rich guys I'm looking at. Wallace and Arnold. Wallace is best. Wallace got
Rich guys here, man.
That shit crazy. Yo, reflect.
You got sunlight in a little bit. You gotta go over there with the sun at. I've been like, the sun already going down.
What are you doing?
Yeah, Marvin.
Alright. What you doing, man?
Oh, boy, can't you clean?
What do you do, man? Yes, sir. Say, man.
Hey. You guys look very nice.
Put the jacket on.
That may be hard right there.
Hey, get Theo jeans. And
Let me see that bit.
get Bradley shoes. You like, got just
He is fun, he is.
Shout out No Limit, man. No Limit, the real estate right here. He get you a home, man. You got Barnacle Boy right here.
White Sox hat. Yo, Tay.
You got Barnacle Boy right here, man.
White Sox, bro.
They don't want to see.
Well, like, Bradley, like, what the fuck?
That's like 10 minutes.
We got the Charger right here, man. Man, this shit looks sexy. Nice little Hellcat right here, man. Nice little Hellcat right here, man. What you mean, Taylor? This is a Hellcat, bro.
Don't lie to people, though.
That's a Hellcat,
God, that's the
bro.
RT Hemi, bro. That's pretty fun.
Demon right here. It's a demon.
Don't support.
Mark, you gotta be a Nova.
Oh shit, I forgot. What Challenger don't got that bit? Oh yeah, Hellcat. This is a Hellcat right here, man.
What's up, bro? That real quick, bro.
We got another Hellcat Charger right here. Here's the owner.
bro.
How you afford it?
quick, bro?
I don't want no
Hold on,
My fault, bro. Hey, well, I was saying you got to.
How you afforded this Hellcat right here, bro?
Oh, you feel me? It's a rental. You know, rental.
Yeah, whatever it's on. bitches flew off. When I dropped you off to work, that's when it came out. I don't know when. It's crazy that I've been staying on. I'm going 150, but on regular speed, I've been flew off.
This shit killing my.
We got the Volley Volkswagen over there, man.
Track Hawk, aka the
Track Hawk over there.
Track.
This shit should charge it off. Put it in the middle. If you put it in the
I'm saying, talk to the camera. Day 5 of this mother. What we doing, bro?
Man, you feel me? Got female models here. Man, we're doing our thing, you feel me? Shooting for the brand, y'all niggas shit.
You said.
Bro, this is day 5 of the brand, y'all. This is a journey. I ain't gonna lie.
Niggas been working.
Yeah, we've been working, dog.
Day 5 of it.
Trying to get this shit working, man. Feel me?
That one came through with a little fitty.
Man, it's a little fit of the day shit. Oh, I didn't post my fit of the day on TikTok. I'm tripping.
You need a fit of the day on the TikTok. No cap.
Man.
Say what's up to the vlog. Say what's up to the vlog or whatever.
Hey y'all. Hi vlog.
Is
it you have YouTube?
Yeah, I got a YouTube channel. So you got the shit on. You see it. You see it. Pretty girls like BTBR. You see it.
It's the lighting.
No kidding. Okay.
Light that you have is low.
Bradley, why you have this shirt?
I have 2 shirts on. It's like an undershirt.
I feel like lost.
You should go run the car and take it off.
Look over it.
It's what the
No,
undershirt?
yeah, because it's showing under it. Cause
Should we
like
get
this,
some videos with them?
this says no.
That's
I mean, if you wanted to, I mean, it's not bad. It's not ugly. But you just gonna have to pull it down so that it look like. I'm not hating. I'm just saying. He gonna look at it and be like, "Why ain't y'all tell me it was sticking out?"
I'm just trolling you. I'm just what the fuck?
Like you want me to lie to him? Like
It looks great.
exactly you look beautiful, and then next thing he look at a picture and look, what is this?
I mean, y'all niggas about to do a little photo shoot. You know what I'm saying? Got a little shit on, bro.
I mean, I said
I'm
stay
not
hard.
gonna lie.
What the fuck am I
I'm
talking
this right
about?
here, so
I
I'm gonna need
mean,
you to come over
what's that
here.
one funny nigga shit? Damn.
And then I need you to sit over there.
Huh?
Kevin Hart.
Yeah, that is. Yeah, that guy.
Shorty.
Alright, cool, man.
Stop moving, Ness.
Let me catch a vibe.
No, go ahead.
I'm good. I ain't going back.
Don't make me laugh, bro. You're making me hot.
Ness, bro. Okay, Bradley, don't because at least I gotta fix this Ness. She said, that's not you, it's him.
Who the fuck got that Xbox jack ringtone? What the fuck?
Ness, we go a little over to Bradley or something. Right there. Bradley, straighten up. I need you, yeah, that's straight. So what y'all not gonna do is act as if we didn't do
Photo shoot. Day 5. Got that bit.
And do it.
See that bit?
Oh yeah, or use the because y'all not gonna you could do a selfie
You see
like
it. You
face
see
forward
it.
with the light.
Nah, I'm saying.
Like if you wanna send
Came through with the SD card, now so we back, now saying Day 5 with the photo shoot, now saying we really working.
Let me see the back. Let me see the back. Let me see the back. Yeah. It's so.
Rock the shit on, now saying we even got some boys for ladies too, now saying even your mama and granny and nanny can wear that bitch too. Show them
Let me see the front. Let me see the front.
So cute.
Okay.
I gotta tie that bitch.
Okay, with the pandas on.
good quality, born to be rich, nah saying shop, go shop, nah saying coming out soon.
I'm well out here.
Baby, I don't know kid that kill me. Kill him off box. Boy, I'm locking more jack. Sometimes I think too much. What's that I think less? I must admit that you was the best. Fuck the rest. I don't see nobody. Yeah, fuck the rest. Hey, that nigga gonna be hard. Hey, let me see. Let me. What?
Like what I just did, like making it.
She would take that bit.
Oh, like
I
hold on it.
I don't need y'all to make us bright and shit. Like I don't want to see you looking like pixies and flowers and shit. Like I want it to be.
I'm saying go shop.
You know what
Come
I'm
to
saying?
a store near you. Not saying in store, online, either which. Not saying go shop that BTBR. Not saying bro, first photo shoot of the day, first photo shoot of not saying ever.
Okay.
Not saying we really working. You can really see it. Day 5.
Is this on right or I
Not
twisted?
saying y'all niggas really working, bro.
Man, y'all niggas been working all day, man.
Go
Y'all
sub up
niggas
to the channel, like, comment, subscribe if you new. Nah, I'm
Nah,
saying
I'll be rocking,
more
dog.
videos,
Wanna be
all that
rich.
stuff coming through.
They been
Nah,
working
son.
all day, dog.
We got here like at 5, 4.
This nigga come after like 5 hours.
Sir.
What's going on? what you got on the feet here,
You
dog?
feel me? Nice little something slight, you feel me?
The biggest booty you ever seen. You know what I'm saying? The biggest booty. You know what I'm saying? Show the special guest. If he roll
The
that
guest
bitch out, know what
star,
I'm saying?
guest star,
Know what I'm
guest
saying? Got
star,
the biggest booty. You're
guest
not
star,
gonna see this ever again. Hold on. Wait till
guest
you pull it.
star. Oh
Wait till you
yeah,
pull it out. You know
oh,
what I'm
yeah.
saying? No
Guest
badges,
star,
none of that.
What
guest
up, boy?
star, guest
That
star.
boy
What it
came
do?
through making noise.
Damn, bro. I
The
put
biggest,
that.
the biggest
I put that. Next, I put that late.
That big got a BBL.
Man, what you having shorty, bro? Nigga was shorty, dog.
Hey, YouTube, check it though. Y'all niggas really had to cart me. You know what I'm saying? Peep the vibes. Peep the shit. You know what I'm saying? Peep the shit. Y'all niggas really had to cart me. It's gonna be loud, but I'm gonna pick up some POV content.
Man, Theo just cut hyping it up.
We finna pick up some POV content. Hold on, this shit is loud as fuck.
We outside, man. Round part 2. That's gotta stay. That nigga came like that.
Dude, check it. Check it. Y'all niggas had to cart me. Old Chevy SS.
Joey.